There's really no context for this one. The clip is pretty self-explanatory. We've got a doorbell licker.
Oh boy, that is just weird.
I thought I'd seen it all, but now this takes a cake.
Never have we seen anything like this. Never.
Early Saturday morning, this man, who police now identify as Roberto Daniel Arroyo, spent about 3 hours licking and milling around this Salinas yard. The homeowners were out of town at the time, but the family's surveillance system notifies them when there's movement out front. And police say it made their job easier.
Technically, he didn't harm anybody.
But the homeowners did do something, wiping off the doorbell.
Very much so.
Yeah.
I feel like I just get a new doorbell at that point. That's so disgusting. And he did it for 3 hours?
Yeah. 3 hours.
It had to be some sexual thing.
Definitely.
right?
He was looking at the camera like,
Yeah. It's like a cat licking. The way he's doing it's like cat lapping milk.
I mean,
It's
he's
so
got to
gross.
be on something, right?
Yeah, you never really know.
he could just be in love. You don't know.
With doorbells.
Hey, there's that show where people
My Strange Obsession or
you're-
whatever.
Oh,
or the-
yeah.
where they like are in love with inanimate objects.
So maybe he, at home, he licks his own doorbell, but he's like, I need some variety. I've got to try different doorbells. Question. 3 hours of doorbell licking. This wasn't on the same doorbell. He went to multiple houses in the
Same
neighborhood.
doorbell.
No, sorry, it's the same one.
Same
Yeah,
doorbell.
because they were out of town.
You know, I've never like kissed someone for 3 hours.
Yeah,
Let alone-
that's a commitment.
A piece of metal on the side of a wall.
Ew,
Yeah.
so weird. I would be so disturbed if that was my house.
What would you do if you saw that in your home? Would you call the cops?
Yeah, absolutely. Because it's not just the act of licking the doorbell, but it's like, why the f are you at my house? And what is going on here? Are you going to try to come in the house? Who knows? That is just so fucking
I'd start
creepy.
talking to him, start telling him a story, see how he reacts.
I'd start playing like some
Let's play some music.
literature.
Yeah, just turn on some The Weeknd.
Ooh,
Yeah, that would be good
Bro,
too.
playing Earned It during that whole time.
Yeah.
See what he does.
This world is so f***ing crazy that people like this exist.
Yeah, it's a wild, wild place, man.